Hi guys, we're back again sa atong vlog for today. Maglaag na puta as always. I'm planning to go sa kanang batting cages. I've been wanting to try that for a while na and I think today's the day na maadto ko. By the way, it's located in Hongdae, so I might just ride a taxi. Yeah, basi mahita tag food dito ta magkaon and makita taon sa pailaing lingaw na pwede adtuan dito. But for now, ato sa convenience store, I'll grab something to eat kay gutom ko, wala pa ko ni kaon. I'll go sa 7-Eleven muna to buy some snacks. So I just got some, it's like onigiri and some protein shake. I think this is enough for us to get by before ta madto sa Hongdae. And if magutom ta, dito na ta mo kaon usab. Kaon sa ako then mag-book na og taxi paadto Hongdae. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Kaabot na ta sa atong destination, itong mga batting cages. Also, nag-converse din sa taxi driver. Kasapat siya gamay English. Ako po, nakaon sa po gamay Korean. Pero, it was a nice conversation, pero sayang wala ano na record. But, yeah, I had fun. So, karon kaya itong destination. May batting cages sa taas, so let's try to go there. So naman try batting cage. That was my first time, pero lingaw kay ko. Karon nakasingot ako. And I guess that was my sign na, to stop na. But it was fun. I might come back later. But for now, I'm just gonna walk around sa Gordito and look around kung anong meron. So, muna yung gikuha. Bagay ba? Naunaan ako sa isa ka restaurant dito sa Hongdae. It's a pretty nice restaurant. Wala kay tao, nice view, gwapo ang ambience. Yeah, ordered some pasta, risotto, and some drinks. That's gonna be my, what time is it? I guess late lunch. So while waiting, so I'm just gonna chill first and appreciate my surroundings. I'll show you guys kung sa akong view. Very chill, very relaxing. It's a good way to unwind, take a break from my work. I got lemonade and I got some green grapeade. So I got two because I'm very thirsty from all the walking. This is what I got. Some octopus something pasta and shrimp risotto, I think. I've been craving for seafood now for a while, so I'm having all seafood today. I'm gonna eat first, then I'll check you guys back later. So, naman ako kaon. Now I'm just walking around thinking of what I'm gonna do next. Lagi mo ko sa Hongdae area. I don't know, maybe I'll go back to that batting cages. I'll take a few more swings because I really enjoyed, I really enjoyed going there. Yeah, just update you guys where I'm gonna head next. Namatag baseball. Now I think it's time to go home, and I wanna rest now. Also tomorrow, wala gavin me a team practice, so I might go to Yang Doong tomorrow. I'm gonna meet my ito ka na. Manager na mo tong nako sa CSB. He and his wife came here sa Korea, so I'm gonna meet with them. Maybe we're gonna have dinner together. And he said na their hotel is near Samyongdong, so might as well just go there and walk around. Yeah, I'm gonna book a taxi maybe and just go home. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ain't gonna lie, I got tired sa baseball stuff. Man. Alright, y'all. Hi guys, good morning. Currently I'm on my way walking sa Pado Samong facility. It's an off day today, but I decided to go to our gym, put some work in, lift weights, get some shots up, para lang, medyo productive atong off day. Katong Myeongdong di ay unya pa dito hapon or gabi. So napatay time to rest. Karon trabaho sa ta. Shout out to Tuesday Performance, to Coach Marvin, and Out of the Box Sports. workout is done. I did some weights. I got some shots up. Short lang yung shooting workout, but the intention was there, so it was good. Now time to head back sa apartment, freshen up, eat, and rest. Then I'll check sa among manager later what's their plans. See you guys later. Hello guys, time to go to Yang Doong. It's raining pretty hard, and it will take me a long time to get there if I take the taxi, so I'm gonna just take the bus going there. I just got off the bus. I'm currently here sa isa ka building. I don't know what this building is, but I just went here for some, parang roof kasi it's raining pretty hard here. I don't know where I'm gonna go next actually. Hopefully the rain will die down para maka-walk around ko. And also the people I'm gonna meet with, wala pa sila nag-update. So right now I'm just gonna wait. In the meantime, I'm just gonna sit here and chill. I might just go to a mall nearby. Dito na lang ako magtambay. And the rain, it died down a little bit. Naghinay na siya, so hopefully di siya magkusog. So yeah, start walking. Spent a lot of time small. Time to go out and meet with our manager for dinner.
Nilabas mo sa Facebook yan?
Sa YouTube.
YouTube?
Okay lang sa'yo?
Yeah.
This is Sir Nilo.
Hello.
Our team manager sa CSB.
Yeah. And he is my idol player who played for us before and almost made us champion.
No,
But,
almost.
Almost.
Ano, sir?
No, di ba you wanted to talk, di ba? You wanted to meet up.
It's okay.
Picturean ko rin to. Sauce.
Yeah.
Parang afternoon, parang wala na. Actually, na-start on off-season pa lang feel ko na eh.
This is sauce.
Sauce, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it.
What is that?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Soft sweet. Okay.
Mixed and chicken. Okay.
Thank you.
This one, what is this?
Kahit anong gagawin. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang mahirap.
So, umana akong dinner. I guess it's time to go home. It's pretty late. And so I have practice tomorrow. So, yeah, I need to book a taxi. So I just got home. I guess that's the end of our vlog for today. So thank you guys for joining me sa akong off days. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our vlog, and I'll see you guys sa next vlog na to. So thank you guys for watching. Salamat sa pagtanaw, and I'll see you.